Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm sharing with you this amazing idea that I had in my mind. So as I was discussing with you that I will be introducing scrapbooking in my Raisin art. So this is just the beginning, and I had this idea. Actually, I have borrowed this idea from the scrapbooking world. So what I will be doing here is we will be making bookmarks, and I have collected some leaves over the time. These are all dried now. So I have collected different shades of these leaves because I wanted to make something autumn inspired. So I have some yellows, red, some pale yellow, a lot of color combinations. So here I'm just selecting the leaves that I will be using for this project. So we all use these leaves in our projects, and I have shared few ideas with you. I will link all above here, the different video that I have done with the leaves. So this is something different I'm doing today. So these are actually punches that are used in the scrapbooking world for making cards and for using for journals. So here I'm punching this into the leaves and making actual leaves out of these leaves, smaller leaves. You can say miniature leaves, tiny leaves. They are looking so cute. So you can buy different bunches and they have different leaf designs. So I bought two of these. So I will link them in my description if you want to purchase them. So this was such a fun idea, and I really love how they turn out. So these are maple leaf, and so these are so tiny that you actually get so tiny leaves, and they are so perfect. So here I will be punching all different leaves out of different colors to make a variety. So this was actually really fun. You can see that the leaf gets design in them. So I saved these leaves, might be using them later on in another project, but at the moment I am taking out the cutouts from them. So these leaves look enough now. This was so fun that I continued on making. So the idea is that I will be making fall inspired bookmarks here, and I will be using these leaves in different color shades. So I have different sort of bookmarks here. Two of them are simple and one is holographic. So I have mixed my resin here. I have taken Let's Resin for this project. I will link a discount code for in description for this resin, and also there are a lot of Black Friday deals going on, so make sure to check all of your favorite resin companies because everyone is having a Black Friday sale. So what I'm doing here is I am pouring a very thin layer of resin into the molds, in just enough to cover the layer of the bookmark. So I have put a little amount of resin, and with my heat gun I will be pushing the resin into the mold. So this helps me to remove the bubbles, and also it helps to move the resin into the mold. And after that, with the popsicle stick, I lightly will be moving the resin in the corners of the bookmarks, so the resin reach every place. So my resin is done now. Now I will be adding these leaves according to their color shades. I will be going from orange, yellow, and red. So this was totally in my mind for some time now, and I really wanted to. This is really simple, but it's so cute, and sometimes simple things bring so much happiness. So you can use some green leaves as well. So this is really up to you. But again, it's really fun. So here you can see that I did some punches out of a book paper as well, just to make it a bit more interesting. So making a different variety in the bookmarks. And now I'm adding some gold foil into different places. So then again, it's really up to you, whatever you like. You can add glitter, you can add gold foils, you can add beads. So today I will be using this glass glitter. I usually use this glitter in my geodes. So this is really, if you can say, it's totally eco-friendly because this is made out of glass. So I have few shades of this and I will be adding according to the color I want. So I think I will be going with the copper crushed glass. So this is, I think, the shade I will be going with. It is beautiful and sparkly. So I might do a video on this using only the glass glitter so we can see how they look in the resin. But at the moment I will be adding this in tiny spots. So just to add some more coolness to the project here, I am adding some aura flakes. So just to give you a variety that what you can add into your leaves here. So after that I did add some glitter into one of these bookmarks. And I will leave this layer to cure. So see you next day. This is the next day and I will be doing a top layer on these, all of these. As I mentioned that I added glitter in one of this, so I added glitter in the holographic one. So now I'm doing, you can say it's a top coat here or the final layer. So this is the final look. So let's see how the finished product looks like. So this is the final look of the bookmarks here, and as you can see that I added a bit of different things on the ending here. Instead of adding simple tassels, I added chains and some moon here. Some, you can see these are brass metal leaves that I added. So this is a crystal charm. It's a labradorite and I encased it into a air dry clay here. So instead of going the normal tassels, I added these. So in this one, I added a bit of moon charm here. So it's looking amazing. So these tiny details do help you a lot and making something stand out from the crowd. So I hope you like them. And if you did, please do let me know in comments. And also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. And take good care of yourself. Again, I'm just loving these. Please do let me know in comments. You love them as well. Bye bye.